Welcome to a rare opportunity in the heart of California's oak-studded foothills. 2 contiguous parcels, totaling just over 98 acres, stretch before you. Rolling hills, open meadows, and scattered mature oaks, painting the landscape with timeless beauty. Every slope, every clearing, invites you to imagine the possibilities. Picture a private ranch, a hunting retreat, or a weekend escape, where the terrain welcomes horseback riding, cattle grazing, or exploring on ATVs. Here, every trail reveals a new vista, every hilltop a perfect spot to pause, breathe, and take in the serenity of wide-open country living. From the upper parcel, panoramic views sweep across the foothills, offering a glimpse of the countryside that could become your future homesite, a cabin getaway, or a peaceful sanctuary. Deer wander freely, turkey roam the meadows, and the natural rhythm of the land reminds you what it means to truly get away. And yet, you're never far from convenience. Just 15 minutes to the renowned Shenandoah wine country, 20 minutes to Folsom, and 40 minutes to Sacramento. This property blends quiet seclusion with easy access to city amenities, fine dining, and world-class wines. Whether your dream is to build, to recreate, or to invest in land for generations to come, this 98-acre foothill property is a rare and exceptional find. Here, every day offers a new adventure, every sunset a masterpiece, and every moment a chance to experience the peace and freedom of life on your own land. Give us a call today to schedule a tour.